Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix camera shaking problem on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings. Now in settings, you will find the option of camera. Just tap on it, then tap on record video. Now on this page, you will find the option of enhanced stabilization. Now just enable this toggle to enable enhanced stabilization. Now, once you enable this toggle, your iPhone will stabilize the video as you record them. Now, if you have enabled this option, but if this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. Now, for that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now, just press and hold the power button of your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now, once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then open Settings and go to General. From here, just tap on About. If you get this message over here which says unable to verify your iPhone's camera, then the camera of your iPhone could have been replaced and it might not be a genuine Apple camera. Now, if it does not show this message over here, just go back and tap on Software Update. Now, this could be a software glitch. So check if you have any software update available on your iPhone. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera of your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix camera shaking problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.